Hello and welcome to 2-Minute Design. I'm Dage and today we're gonna place hundreds of barcodes on a voucher template in seconds. I've downloaded this voucher template from the link in the description and I want to put a barcode here in the white area. Problem is, I have 500 barcodes, so 500 different vouchers, and the deadline to finish this job was yesterday. So what to do? First of all, let's put all these barcodes in a folder called Barcodes. And let's open Adobe InDesign. Click here to create a new document, enter the dimensions of the voucher, uncheck facing pages, set the number of pages to 1, and then hit Create. Now drag the voucher and place it on the page. And align it vertically and horizontally. If it's pixelated, right-click on the page, go to Display Performance, and choose High Quality Display. Now in the description of this video, you can find a link to a script called Images to CSV. Download the script and then go to Window, Utilities, Scripts. Right-click on User and choose Reveal in Explorer or in Finder if you're on a Mac. Open the Scripts panel folder and put the JSX file you just downloaded here. Go back to InDesign and you should be able to see the script here in the Scripts panel. Double-click on it and then choose the barcode folder. When you click OK, the script will create a CSV file next to your barcodes. It includes the name and location of each barcode. Now in InDesign, activate the Rectangle Frame tool and then draw a rectangle in the barcode area. Go to the Data Merge panel, click the Menu button, click Select Data Source, and then double-click on the CSV file that you just created. Click on Images and activate the Preview checkbox. Awesome! We can now see the barcode here in the correct location. Now click this button that says Create Merged Document, set it to All Records, click Options, set the fitting as you want. I'll also check Center and Frame, and hit OK. And that's it. Each voucher is now on a separate page, so we have 500 pages, each one with its own barcode. You can now go to File, Export, and save it as a PDF. And that's it.